75 years ago, a gentleman named Edward Lowe invented cat litter. And about 2 decades ago, companies came up with the modern smart toilet. So you can enjoy a less hands-on washroom experience. For some people, it's probably one of the greatest inventions of the 20th century. But what if these two inventions meet each other and have a baby that could liberate you, so you could spend more time doing what you love? Meet ChouBox, the most refined automatic smart litter box designed for cats of all sizes and for true cat lovers. For starters, the ChouBox has been thoughtfully designed for cats of all ages and sizes. The half-open design allows large cats to get in and do their business comfortably. Once your cat finishes its business and leaves the ChouBox, the gravity sensor detects it. The chamber will perform a full 180-degree rotation that scoops up the clumps and holds the clean litter temporarily. Gravity then leads the clumps to the waste chamber. UV light and an ozone generator begin the sanitation process, drastically reducing the risk of parasites contaminating the cats or humans. So that the area around the litter box is no longer a death zone for our noses. The cleaning can be set to automatic, periodic, or manual, both on the unit itself and through the ChouBox app. The app may remotely control ChouBox and modify cleaning settings. We even plan to make it generate reports that would allow you to monitor each of your cat's toileting frequencies. For the multi-cat family that replaces litter more often, ChouBox also supports full litter replacement. The upper chamber is fully dumped with a single push of a button for brand new litter. Of course, safety measures are a high priority. The IR sensors and weight sensors constantly monitor what's going on in and around the ChouBox. During the cleaning, whenever ChouBox detects any weight change or slight movements near its proximity sensors, the cleaning and rotation will immediately stop. After all, to truly be a smart pet product, nothing is more important than safety. Am I right?
So when can I expect to get this?
Great question. The answer is, it's almost ready. ChouBox has gone through multiple phases of design, redesign, and prototyping. We're just about to start mass production. At this stage, we really appreciate the support from you and the many other cat owners around the world to help us make manufacturing go faster. Every ChouBox will go through fine assembly and rigorous quality control before reaching your door. We expect the shipping to happen soon after the success of this campaign. We are confident that you will like this smart, convenient, and modern, sleek-looking Smart Kitty toilet. Thank you for supporting ChouBox.